Okay, today's project is a whole lot of fun. We actually are running a unicorn float in the parade. It's a life-size unicorn. And we have bought a saddle for it. I'm going to tilt it up here so you can see how amazing it is. It is, in fact, a zebra printed pink and black saddle. And, you know, in itself it's wonderful, but it desperately needs some glitter. So what I've done is, it is used a little bit, so I went ahead and did a little repair work, but I also ran a sample of what this thing's going to look like. So I'm going to bring you closer so you can see the sample, and then you can watch me do a little bit of it, and then we'll show you how it came out. Okay, here we are. This is the close-up of my little test that I've done here, and started a little bit here too. What I've done is gone ahead and taken a Mod Podge super gloss, and I've taken a metallic polyester azalea, mixed them together into a glitter glue, and I'm literally hand painting it on. I've chosen azalea because it's pretty much as close to the color of the saddle, so that it's you don't have to necessarily paint exactly perfect. A little bit, you know, you miss here and there, you really aren't going to notice because the glitter is about the same color, and I do like to do that as a little cheat. I always like to glitter over the same color if possible. I've also chose to do it as a glitter glue because if I were to paint just straight glue on and then sprinkle loose glitter on, it really would be a terrible mess because this black right here is actually flocked. It's a velvety surface, and glitter loves velvet, and it would just hang on to it, and it would be a nightmare to get off. So really glitter glue is the only way to roll. So you can see I've created a little container here of glitter glue. I've got a fine tip soft brush, and I'm just brushing it on like so. And as you can see, there's a whole lot to brush. It's going to be very tedious, but totally worth it.